Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. The table contains 4 descriptions about a computer system. Complete the table by writing the correct term of each description. First off, a collective term for the physical components of a computer system. Now, any computer system which is physical is known as hardware. Secondly, a type of software that provides services that the user requires and allows the user to perform tasks on their computer. Now, we may know this on our iPad as apps, but the full form is application software. A type of software that manages the main functions of a computer, including managing files and managing memory. Now, this part, we do not do this. Only the computer does this. And when a computer does something without our knowledge, that is simply known as the operating system. This keeps the computer in check and we don't have to do anything. A type of software that is stored in the read-only memory, ROM, and includes the basic input-output system BIOS and the bootloader. So this is only temporary, it only contains the basic input-output system, so it has to be firmware. Firmware. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.